Teach Amanda Fish channel here, and here's another little quick tip. This will be another quick video on how to clean the copper bottom on your pots. I don't know if I want to say I collect these, but I get these from thrift stores, and they're this Revereware is one of my favorite cooking pots. I think the copper transfers the heat the best of all the pots that I have. So I found this one in a thrift store last week, and I want to get it restored back to this clean. So I will show you real quick how to do that. And just to show you how easy this is, a little bit of salt. I use kosher salt, coarse salt, because it's an abrasive. And then the acid in the vinegar removes the tarnish. So here we are at the end, and I ended up getting out a green scrubber to get some of the carbon that was baked on there off, and a butter knife to do the same. So that's where we're trying to get to. Now we'll rinse this off and see how we did. And there we go. Revereware. This model is probably in the early 70s, looking at the label there. And looking good as new. These are tough pans. Worth buying if you have them in the thrift store and cleaning up. Thank you for watching Teach Amanda Fish channel. Subscribe, like, share. More videos to come in the future.